Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out these spice jars, and they do include labels, and these were sent to us by FINESSY for free today for us to check out. Now, here are the spices that we are going to be using today. I've already got some set up, as you can see right there. They have those nice bamboo lids, and whenever you get them, they come nice, neatly shipped, just like this. All individually bubble wrapped, so you don't have to worry about anything being damaged during transportation. Right, there you go. There's the nice glass container. And then you just take off the bamboo lid here. And then this little top piece pops off just like that. And then you do have this little funnel that they include. And it has like different sizes. So you can put them in here, or you can use them to put into your other spices in case you need to have a different size of hole on there. Me personally, I've found this to be more of a pain than actually using it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it there to the side. I usually just take my spices and take off the lid to them, just like that. And then try and get a good angle for you all. I just take it and kind of cut my hand around like that and pour it in, give it a little shake, and it falls nice and neatly in there. You can do this over the sink in case you're worried about dropping a little bit, then you won't have any issues, especially if you're doing it with all of these at the same time. Whenever you're done, you just go ahead and grab your top right here, put it back on, seats nice on there. The top does have holes as well as a thing that you can lift right there, so that if you need to pour your seasonings out, you can do that. And then we go ahead and put the lid back on, just like that. And what we used here was white sesame seed. So then it comes with your labels right here. You have a spice label checklist, and then you have all of your little stickers right here. So that was white sesame seed. I don't think they have one on here that says white sesame seed, but they do have one that says sesame seed. So we just go here, find it, and then we'll peel it off easily, just like that. These are very, very sticky. And then you just line it up on here and apply it just like that. There we go. So then you have your label on there. Also has a number on there that corresponds to the number on this checklist. So makes it easy to keep track on the checklist, makes it easy to keep these organized. That makes them in alphabetical order. So whenever you're putting them into your cupboards, a spice rack, whatever you want to put them on, makes it really easy and manageable. Now, how many are included in this? Well, this one right here, do a little bit of math. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 36. You're gonna get 36 in this set, so you'll have 36 different spices that you can, put together, everything like that. Now, obviously, you might have more spices than that, so you may need to buy more. This one here has 100 different spice labels. I'll go ahead and let you see everything that is on there. And then it also has some blank labels, so you can put, some of your specialty stuff on there. Like maybe you have something like this right here, some bootleg burger. You could just write that on there, pour that into one of these, and then you would be good to go. So other than that, I think that's pretty much everything with these right here. I'm excited about them. I've been in the process of putting these in here. I don't know if I'll do it all at once, or if I just do it as I pull a spice out, put it in there, and then put it back up there into my spice cabinet, little by little, the dude way of doing things. But overall, I think they're great. So go ahead, check these ones out. Like I said, these are spice jars, and they do include the labels. These are the bamboo collection, come in a set of 36, and they are from FINESSY.